Good morning students. Now started step 4. Step 4 is called simulation of the shielding effect of all the electrons. All the electrons gives them shielding constant. Shielding constant, yes. Now come to the example. Calculate the effective nuclear charge of 4s electron and 3d electron. 4s electron, 3d electron in scandium. So now write the scandium electronic configuration. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d1. So now rearrange them below. 1s2 bracket, 2s2 2p6 bracket, 3s2 3p6 bracket, 4s 3d1 bracket, 4s2. So first nth orbital 4s2, n minus 1 the orbital, 3 orbitals, n minus 1. Next third one n minus 2, fourth one n minus 3. Now come to the table. Now the example started group n. Here number of electrons, how many means only one, 4s 1 electron. Next contribution of S value 0.35. So 1 into 0.35, 0.35. Second one n minus 1. So n minus 1, how many electron means 2 plus 6 plus 1, 9 electron. So 0.85. Multiply means 7.65. Next n minus 2 and others. How many means 10 electrons. 10 into 1, 10. So 10 is totally 18.0. Z effective equal to Z minus S. That Z is the atomic number. So atomic number 21 minus 18. So answer 3. This is for 4s electron. Second case 3d electrons. Second case 3d electron. So 3d electron means now write the formula. Electronic and 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d1, 4s2. So calculated here onwards. Y means 3d only asked. Here n. Here n minus 1. Here n minus 2. 1s n minus 3. So now calculated group. Group means n. That how many electron means that is 0 electron. That is minus 1. Already in front of you naming means 2. So minus 1 means write 1. Now 0. How much value means 0.35. That multiply means 0. Next n minus 1 and others. N minus 1 and others means totally 18 electrons. Totally 18 electrons. 2, 2, 6, 2, 6. Totally 18 electrons. So 18 electron 1. So 18. S value is the 18. Now formula. Z effective equal to Z minus S. So that means Z is the atomic number, 21 minus 18. So answer is 3. So 4s electron and 3s electron already 3 only. Next, shielding effect from inner cell electrons later rules. Electron group, electron interest either s or p orbital, electron interest either d or f orbitals. N means 0.35 only used, that s orbital especially 0.30, here 0.35. N minus 1 means s or p orbital 0.85, d and f orbital means 1. N minus 2 and others 1, here also 1. So you have to memory used for effectively nuclear charge calculations. So you have to memory. And table number 3.13 also you memory. Some of the elements effectively nuclear charge and covalent radius given table you have to memory 1 mark side. Variation of groups. In periodic table, atomic radius elements increases down the group. Increases down the group. Y means as a result the distance of between center of the nucleus and outermost containing valence electron will be increases. For example, this is a nucleus. That is the first cell, second cell, third cell, fourth cell, fifth cell. Here valence electron, that means outermost electron cell will be increases down the group because atomic number also increases, especially alkyl metals. Alkyl metals. For example, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. These for lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. That alkyl metal increases. Why increases means atomic number also increases. Understand? Next topic, ionic radius. Distance from the center of the nucleus of the ion of them which it is extract in the influence of the electron cloud of the ions. That ionic radiation, especially ionic means cation and anion. Cation and anion. Measured by which scientist means that both measured by Pauling method. Pauling's method. Pauling's method. The cation and anion used Pauling method. The ion present in the crystal lattice. Crystal lattice. Crystal lattice means distance equal to radius of cation plus radius of anion. That is the first equation. D means distance between the center of the nucleus. C plus means cations. A minus means anions. Radius of the cation and anion respectively. Next, Pauling also assumed noble gas electronic configuration, sodium ions and chloride ions. That is sodium ion means how much? 1s2, 2s2, 2p, how much? 6, 3s1, sodium 11, chlorine 17. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 6, 10, 3s2, 3p, 5. So 1 electron go to added here. That means noble gas configuration. That 1 electron loss means sodium getting 10. Chlorine 1 electron gain means chlorine getting 18. So both are is the noble electronic configurations. Noble electronic configurations. So Na plus means 10 electrons. Cl minus means 18 electrons. So both are is the movable gases. So write the formula. Radius of cation directly proportional to 1 divided by effectively nuclear charge cations. That equation number 2. Next, radius of anion A minus directly proportional to 1 divided by Z effectively nuclear charge anions. That equation number 3. Now dividing the equation 2 by 3. Dividing the equation 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 means radius of cation plus divided by radius of anion equal to Z effective anion minus divided by Z effective cations. That equation number 4. On solving the equation 1 and 4, the value of radius of cation and radius of anion is obtained. Next topic, ionization energy. Minimum amount of energy required to removal of most loosely bounded electron from the valence shell of the isolated neutral gaseous atom in the ground state. Ionization energy unit kilojoule mole inverse or electron volt. So come to the explain. Metal is the gaseous state. First ionization energy 1. So released electron from metal. So metal getting what charge means positively charged. Then releasing amount of electron required energy is called ionization energy. You understand? Second, metal cations react with the ionization energy 2 required. So again one more electron released. Metal getting 2 plus. This is for second ionization energy. So continue third and fourth and etc. That means increasing order. Ionization energy 1, ionization energy 2, ionization energy 3, etc. The variation of ionization energy periodic table. The usually increases expeditions. You discuss left to right going means valence electron added same cell. That means same orbital. At the same time of proton added the nucleus also. So in nuclear charge will be increased. So electrostatical force also increasing and more energy will be required. The resulting the left to right high ionization energy is present. Let us consider second period of elements atomic number ionization energy also increasing orders.